Hey everybody, I'm Paul down here at CCRV based in Mildenhall. Just going to show you another addition to our stock range, which is the 8299 SB. It's perfect for a holiday home, a static. It can't really be towed on a UK truck, it's too heavy. Right, follow me. Quite a big storage area on these units for putting all your bits and pieces in, your tools and outside kitchen furniture, stuff like that. All well insulated, they're all cloaked underneath, ready, you know, for 4-season living. They're perfect, all seasons. They're double glazed, insulated, everything you need to live in residentially. Right, up the stairs. Here we go. This is an amazing unit. You'll be surprised at the finish of it. It's just like a little flat that you'd buy in Mayfair, something like that. Just follow me. Alright, go into the bathroom first. Again, we've got a lovely sized shower. These are all pretty standard in the Rockwoods. They're a good shower, plenty of room. You can get in here, have a full shower. These showers are not like the Caravan showers. They will give you continuous water on the boiler. I think it's about a 5-gallon boiler, but they'll give you continuous water for a shower. There's onboard tanks that hold water, or if you're static you can plug into the mains. There's no lugging water about. Right, come and look at this bathroom. Sorry, bedroom. Right, we've got a king size bed here. It might even be a super king. It must be probably 6 feet wide. It goes east-west. We've got plenty of cupboards and wardrobes on the back here. If you look around here, this one is actually pre-prepped for a small washing machine, which will go here. All the waters and drains and everything are all set up here, so you could in effect put a small washing machine in there. TV. Nice cupboards here for clothes. They all go in there. So, and plenty of glass. It's a really nice bedroom. But if you follow me down into the living area, shut the door. Right, we've got a master control panel here, which will switch on, all illuminates. If you have a quick close-up on there, Dave, you can actually see all the lights, porch lights, levels of battery, water, everything is actually on that control panel. These are all the light switches here, fuse boards down here, so pretty much everything on there is what you need. These all come with the Wi-Fi booster as well. Right, have a look down in this into this area. Right, go this way round. We've got lovely Corian worktops here. We do rewire them to 240 volts, various USB points and that put all around. This is for the air conditioning and heating. You just basically set the temperature, currently running at 57 degrees, a little bit chilly. When you come around here, we've got a nice cooker here. We have had customers that have actually cooked fantastic meals on here. Nice little oven there for putting your bits and pieces in and cook a nice little meal. And this is a Convection Microwave which comes in this model, a little bit more upmarket from the versions that we sell for touring. Nice island kitchen here with a sink. You see, this is all quality stuff, you know, this is all the real McCoy. All stainless steel in there. We've got pull out taps, you know, lovely modern sort of equipped. If we come round through into here, we've got a residential style fridge freezer. Freezer at the top there, the fridge is at the bottom, so you can fill it up. One shop to Tesco's or something once a week, you fill it up, you haven't got to go down the shops anymore. We've got a nice sofa bed. This pulls out to a sofa bed. Most living areas are carpeted, and we've got all these modern sort of colours of grey and whatever is fashionable these days. We've got a couple of lazy boys. You can sit here, watch the TV and watch what's going on. And then if you have folks come for tea, you've got some nice table and chairs here. There's a TV, a nice fire down there which is all thermostatically controlled. I'll see if I can switch that on. There you go. It looks lovely in the evening, lights are off, a little bit of mood lighting, and then you can feel the heat, or we can feel the heat already coming out of it, you know. So that's really nice. So this is a lovely unit. It's the 8299. You can't tow it, it's too heavy on a UK truck, but it's ideal for a static home, a granny flat, a holiday home. We are going to do a deal next year with holiday homes. You can hear the jets flying over now, so we have to bump between them on the talking bit. So there's not a lot more I can say about this unit. If you're interested, come and see us. We're based in Milton, North Suffolk. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching. Has it gone off?
I've got a funny feeling it's still recording.